Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how I make my Ayamase Ofada stew, designer stew. There's a lot of names for it, but yeah, I call it Ayamase, and it's really nice. It's really yummy. People like having this, especially in London, at parties with rice. Like, it's yummy. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. Also share this video with everybody that you know. So I'm using Scotch bonnets, green bell pepper, green hot chilies. It's all green. You can use red if you want, but I like, just sticking to the way it's meant to be. I'm going to roughly blend this with some onions, and I'm going to boil this just to get rid of the excess water. You can sieve this if you want. It does the same thing, but I feel like boiling it is basically also like, cooking it, so it makes the next process easier and faster. So I like boiling my pepper mix. So I'm gonna go on to bleaching the palm oil, which is the part that a lot of people don't like about ayamase. All you have to do is heat this palm oil up for like 6 minutes and allow it to get a bit smoky, and just cover this up. When it gets really smoky, cover this up for like 6 to 10 minutes again and let it just continue heating up. So after 10 minutes, I'm going to basically just turn off the heating and allow this to calm down. Basically just allow all the smoke to go back and just calm down. Some people like opening this up because apparently it makes the ayamase bitter, like the smoke makes it bitter, but I've never really had that experience. So I'm guessing it's something you have to try yourself and see what works for you. You can open it up, but I don't like it when the smoke goes everywhere in the kitchen. So yeah, after bleaching, it looks very different to what you started off with, and this is what I like. I absolutely like this. The whole smoky thing, it adds to the flavor of the ayamase, and it's just really nice. So I'm adding some onions and locust beans. Locust beans is really nice in ayamase, but if you don't like locust beans, it's something that you can skip. And then I'm gonna fry this for like 2 minutes and then add the ayamase to the mix, and allow the ayamase to fry for like 2 minutes again before you start seasoning. I'm adding all-purpose seasoning, Maggi, and some crayfish, blended crayfish. I'm not adding salt or any other thing because I'm using a lot of meat, and most of these meats I've already cooked them with seasoning and I've already fried them, so there's a lot of stuff that's gonna come into it and balance everything out. I'm using smoked turkey, I'm using chicken, I'm using fried beef, I'm using Bokoto, I'm using Saki. I'm using a lot of meat. Basically that's the whole point. I'm using a lot of meat with ayamase. I absolutely love using different types of meat. And then just cover this to cook for like 5 minutes, and whilst that's cooking, I'm frying my plantain for the rice with the ayamase, everything, it goes all together. After 5 minutes, the ayamase is basically done, because remember, you've cooked your pepper previously, but I like my meat and everything really absorbing the stew, so I always cook it for longer. At this point, I'm gonna add some eggs to it. I'm only adding 3 eggs because I'm not really a big fan of putting eggs in stew, so I don't even eat the egg when it's already in the stew. So I'm only adding 3 eggs just to make it look better, I think. And then I'm adding a little bit of water just to allow everything to make sense, and because it looks a bit dry and I didn't want anything to start burning or anything, so I only added a little bit of water. And then I'm going to cook it for literally 10 minutes. And when you start seeing the oil rising to the top of the soup, your ayamase is ready. Look at that beauty. If you do try out this recipe, please let me know. You can send me pictures, videos, anything, because I really think this recipe is the one. It's the one. All right. So yeah, I had my ayamase with rice and plantain, and it was delicious. I decided to add fish to it, but it was absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Also share with your family and friends, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.